In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to email a Google Doc as an attachment. By the end, you'll be able to send your document straight from Google Docs without downloading anything first, and you'll know which format to pick so your recipient gets exactly what they need. Start by opening the document you want to send in Google Docs, make sure it's the final version you intend to share, and give it a quick scan for typos and formatting, since whatever you send will reflect what's currently on your screen. Next, head to the top left corner and click File. In the menu that appears, hover over Email, then select Email this file. This opens a small window right inside Google Docs where you'll set up your email. In that pop-up, type the recipient's email address in the first field. You can add more than one recipient if needed, then add a clear, concise subject line so the person instantly knows what the email is about. In the larger text box, write your message. Keep it short and helpful. Mention what the document contains and whether you want them to review, read, or keep it for reference. Since this email sends directly from your Google account, there's no need to switch over to another app. Now choose your file format. Use the drop-down to pick how the document will be attached. PDF is the most common choice because it preserves your layout and is ideal for read-only viewing on almost any device. If the recipient needs to edit the file in Microsoft Word, choose .docx. You'll also see other available formats, which can be useful for specific workflows, but PDF and .docx cover most cases. If you prefer not to send an actual attachment, you can check the option labeled Don't Attach. This inserts the document's content directly into the body of the email. It's handy for quick reading, but keep in mind complex layouts, images, or special formatting might look different in an email than in your document. When everything looks good, recipients, subject, message, and format, click Send. Google Docs will handle the rest and deliver your document as an attachment straight from the editor. That's all it takes. Your document is now on its way and you didn't have to download or switch tabs to complete the process. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more Google Docs tips and tutorials.